Hey everyone, let's make a card. We're going to start by stamping some watercolor shaped circles in Night of Navy, Flirty Flamingo, and then we're going to also tie in some crumb cake. Feel free to overlap these circles for an even better look. All right, next we're going to stamp our little speech bubble, and then we're going to stamp our love you on the inside. We're going to die cut it. This is a fun die cut because it's going to cut the inside and also it's going to cut a border. So we're going to do that border in another color, pop it out. All right, now we're going to take a scratch piece of white with some liquid glue. This is going to help hold those pieces together for us on the back side and a great way to use up scraps. So I'm just going to put it behind both those layers, set it aside, let it dry. Then we're going to add some linen thread and wrap it around our card front. We're going to go with a navy card base, fold it in half, add that top layer on top. Use some dimensionals behind our sentiment, some liquid glue to hold our cutie patootie bow in place, and then I'm going to finish it off with a little heart. Link in bio. Follow I Teach Stamping for more card making ideas.